Hello everyone. It's a very special day today, but I can't tell you yet because the special guest has not arrived. I'm coming to you from my car, my driveway, waiting on said special guest, and I have Starbucks and McDonald's. I guess I could show you what I got. I already ate my hash brown and I drank my coffee because I got that earlier. I got a chocolate cream cold brew. It was pretty okay. I still prefer sweet cream cold brew more, but I was feeling a little chocolatey this morning. But I got a sausage McMuffin and an unsweet tea, so that is what I'm having for breakfast. Our special guest is here. Happy birthday!
Oh no.
Where do we park? Do you know?
Where do we park?
Yeah.
It's 318.
I think that's Hook.
Hook? It's Hook. It says Hook on that
We're
side.
in Hook 318. How do you
318.
feel on this birthday morning?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Oh, we haven't even gotten in the park yet. Traffic's been bad.
Yeah, it wasn't
Yeah.
great. But we made it.
Yeah.
You want to take the tram or do you want to walk?
We can walk.
Okay. We made it on the boat.
On the boat.
It only took a small miracle.
Yay.
I forgot my sunglasses.
Oh no.
You never wear sunglasses.
No.
I had to go to the bathroom. You didn't have to go to the bathroom. Here's the castle.
Superior Main Street, USA, and a Superior Castle.
What's your first ride, being 28?
Jungle Cruise. Or the ferry boat, depending on what we're considering.
No, we're
right?
not considering the ferry
Jungle
boat.
Cruise.
Yay.
Yay.
What's your favorite joke?
Well, I haven't heard it since I was in like 4th grade. I'm a little bit disappointed. I'm hoping we get it today. When you come around the corner and you go in the tunnel for the temple thing, they say, all right, when we come around the corner, it's another gift shop. No, I'm just kidding, it's a root canal. That's my favorite joke, but I've only heard it once.
Today could be your lucky day.
I hope so.
Oh my goodness.
You're gonna sit right there, aren't you?
Another one about the skipper, the botanist, entomologist, and bird watcher. I know, it's kind of a long one, folks, but I think you'll get the point in the end. But what a rhino.
How was your cruise?
It was great. It's great.
They didn't make the joke,
No, they didn't.
but he did make new jokes.
Yep, I've heard some different ones.
So, what do you say? Do you recommend it?
I highly, highly recommend it.
All right. Are you taking a nap?
To the car. For your safety, remain seated at all times, keeping
Apparently,
hands, arms,
taking
feet,
a nap
legs, and
on the
other
people
appendages
mover.
inside. Thank you.
The lights are on.
Let relaxation wash over you at the most refreshing retreat in the galaxy, the Coral Rooms of Pisces 7. You H2O it to yourself. Book today.
Space Mountain has gone down. The lights are on. And we're on the people mover.
Let relaxation wash over you at the most refreshing retreat in the galaxy.
Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of Tron.
Initiate light cycle run upload sequence in 3, 2, 1, go. Welcome to Tron Light Cycle Run, the ultimate.
What are your thoughts?
It's fun. It's kind of uncomfortable, but it's a fun ride.
Do you like it better than Guardians?
No, I like Guardians.
Me too. So, Oh, my hat. Forgot to put my hat back on. It is still uncomfortable. Here's a green one. Sponsored by Enterprise. We did miss Big Thunder, unfortunately, because we were in line, but it's easier to ride Big Thunder than Tron, so consider it worth it.
Yeah.
All right. Did you want that for your birthday?
Yes.
A special helmet?
That's what I've always wanted.
Or a backpack? Or
I want the shoulderless jacket.
Where are we?
Cosmic Rays.
What'd you get?
I got a 1/3 pound bacon cheeseburger.
I got chicken strips.
Chicken strips. Well, it's Groundhog Day. Again.
We ate
We're
lunch.
On our way to Haunted Mansion. All right, we had our lunch at Cosmic Rays. How was it, Kenneth?
It was mid.
Yeah, that's about right. Although they did have little Tabasco sauce things. I thought it was great.
I was really hungry, so I didn't really care. But they give you refills there, so that's a perk.
Wow, that's nice.
Got a second Powerade.
Well, we're going through Fantasyland.
Yep.
And we're headed to Liberty Square, which isn't a square. And we're gonna go to the Haunted Mansion. How excited are we, McKenna?
I'm so excited. I haven't ridden it since, what day did we come here last? Thursday?
We can't wait. It's a lightning pass. So,
the wait was 65 minutes earlier.
yeah, pretty crazy. Trying to come up with a good pun, but I can't.
But we did decide that Tron is only worth it if you can get a virtual queue. Paying for it,
Yeah,
it's not worth it.
no.
It's a short ride. It's not exactly comfortable. Spend your money on Guardians.
Yeah.
Now what?
I don't know.
We're going to Epcot
Yeah, I think it's time to go like that.
to ride.
Guardians.
What song do you hope we get?
I hope we get I Ran by a Flock of Seagulls.
Okay. I just hope we don't get Everybody Wants to Rule the World. Or One Way or Another. I don't like either one of those.
I don't like one way or another.
Not really in the ride.
If it's a ride.
Meh. September's the best one, but I also haven't heard Disco Inferno, so.
I would like Disco Inferno. That would be good. It's solid consolation.
What?
It's solid consolation.
Yeah?
Second place.
Alright, let's go. You did it!
Yay! It turned green this time.
And now we can go ride Guardians
Yay!
with our lightning lane, so we don't even really have to wait.
Yay!
Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang.
Welcome, people of Epcot. Epcoters. Epcotians. Citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on. Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Could this day get any worse?
we get.
September?
Yeah. That is the eighth time that I've had that song.
Wow.
It's the second time you've had it, I think.
Yep, second.
But we got in the virtual queue, so we'll have another song. Hopefully it's not once again September. But it's very sunny. And is there anything you want to do next? You want to go ahead and go over to studios?
Sure.
We're on the Pirates of the Caribbean Skyliner. It feels a lot better up here than it does down there.
That's for sure.
It was supposed to rain today. Hasn't started yet.
In just a few moments, we will be arriving at Disney's Riviera Resort, a Disney vacation club.
Wow. Now we're in Monsters Inc.
Wow.
Look, there we are. We made it.
Yay.
It's hot.
Yep.
What do you want to do?
I don't know, what do you want to do?
Our thing is at 350 for
Not a lot we can do in the next 18 minutes.
our lightning lane is for, what is it for? Toy Story.
Yeah.
Midway Mania. We can walk back there and maybe by the time we get there it'll be time to go. Are you so excited?
So excited.
We haven't ridden this since Disneyland.
Yeah.
So long.
Wow.
Like a month. A little over a month.
That's crazy.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow. I like the queue for this one better than the one for Disneyland.
Yeah, the one at Disneyland's more like a boardwalk.
Yeah.
And this one's
The only like
More
Toy Story kind of
colorful.
thing is they have the games supposed to be when
yeah.
you're leaving.
It's so dark.
So dark.
It's so dark.
Let's examine their score.
Oh! Now we're going for Matthew to build his birthday present.
Yay.
Yay!
Yay.
It's very hot
Yeah, it's still hot.
and very sunny.
The rain does not appear to be coming.
I don't believe so. Kind of wish it would. Can't do it. But Florida doesn't care. Which one did you pick?
Peace and justice.
Are you excited?
So excited.
And then you got this little thing that has been through it.
I have to give it back.
Yeah, but you get to keep the pen.
Yay.
Everyone's got their blue credentials here. You see those? Thank you. You'll be at the station.
Welcome. I know this is it's a lot, but for us, it is everything. I see you've met my fellow gatherers, and you may simply call me Kimbe. Now, to some of you, this may look like old junk. Let me clarify something. Some of this is new junk. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics, forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. What we find, well, we bring here. So where a stormtrooper sees worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may ensure our future. We have been waiting for all of you. You've heard of the legend of Luke Skywalker, yes?
Yes.
Yes, we hear that there's another. A new Jedi, a scrapper like us. What was her name?
Rey.
Yes, Rey. What she is leading is a spark of hope that we have been waiting for. And that is why you are here. Able to focus the energy of the Force to magnify it. Some say the Kyber crystal is the heart of a lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the lightsaber's blade. You may know these from some of the greatest Jedi heroes in history. Blue, the crystal of Master Obi-Wan Kenobi and his apprentice Anakin Skywalker. And of course, Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. Violet, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. Red. It has been called the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are stories of the past. We are here for you, the future. Now, it is time for you to choose your Kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Everyone, please, close your eyes, close your eyes.
Like Obi-Wan Kenobi and Anakin.
Building your hilt, the foundation of your lightsaber, your center of control. Also the part that keeps your hands from being disintegrated. We are placing before you the components you will need. Now, in front of you, you will find the chassis, activation plates, grips, emitters, and pommel caps. Building a lightsaber is a personal journey. Just as you chose your crystal, you select each part of your own unique saber. The gatherers are here to guide you on your path. Should you need assistance, they'll be happy to help you. Now everyone, are you ready?
Yes!
Let's build.
We're going to place them in the center of the chassis. The top plate pushes up, so just like a battery, push up and slide it into place. This is the trickiest part of your build. If you need my help, please let me know. You mind if I check it? This one is our crystal. Just like that.
Got it?
Good. Mind if I check it? Now you're going to choose a set of activation plates, my friend. Just make sure you're staying in this section of your build. Now y'all want to look on the inside and see a red square and a blue square and matching ones on the chassis. Just like a puzzle, red matches red and blue matches blue. You want to choose two of the four of your sleeves. So any two you like.
Waiting to go on.
Go ahead and slide up on the switch. Right there and slide down. And you want to choose two of the ends to go toward the middle. Push in and keep twisting it until it tightens. That side is going to be the other. So you can use that one. Just make sure that's there. Now when you're switching any two, you want to make sure that the bigger end goes toward the
That's what she means.
That one, they're like both thicker, so confusing.
Now the emitter goes up top or side, gently twist that one down. Either or, as long as the thicker end is towards the middle, it's up here. That's always going to be decent. And your travel cap is the same thing on the rear. There's both sides here, so I just put the activation type. We're going to push down. We're going to just do and then we like how this is that and you're going to twist to the right. Now when Kembe tells you to activate, you want you to side up, deactivate is down. So great job.
Well done. Please remove your hands. You've all completed your hilts and nothing unexpected or traumatic has happened. Because why would it? Which does lead me to the most dangerous part of the process. Builders, leave your completed hilts on your station and step back, please. Gathers. The gatherers are placing your hilts in the crystal stabilization chamber. This requires lots of skill and experience. There may or may not have been an accident at this station that I may or may not have caused, but I don't like to dwell, so let's move on, shall we? Now, the next part of the process, what's going on?
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, joined, you will be. It is time.
Master Yoda. Ah, it is indeed time to take that first step. Builders, we have reached the final stage of the process. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. In a moment, and on my signal, you'll step forward. Place your hand on your hilts, and we will activate together. Are you ready?
Yes.
Step forward. Place your hand on your hilts and activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi and Sith before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only needs a spark. Please, deactivate your sabers.
How was it?
It was great.
Oh, the rain is definitely coming in.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna put the camera away because the weather is scary looking. So if you just see us when we get to dinner, that's why.
Okay.
I think you got sunburned today.
Probably.
But did you have a lot of fun building a lightsaber?
I did.
Yay!
Yay.
It rained, but we made it.
I am too, but here's what at some point I have Japanese right now. When I'm not in those days, now I'm like, I'm
Good? Yummy. All right. You dried a little bit?
Yeah.
You ate some food?
The water moved this morning. What happened? Yeah.
How was your dinner?
It's good.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Was it better than hibachi places around here, or would you say equal or less?
The quality of the food was probably better, but it's like twice as much. So I'd probably rank it even if I was going to say.
I like it, but I do wish they did fried rice as an option instead of the noodles.
Just crack an egg.
Yep. I do like the noodles, but I prefer fried rice. But yeah.
Yeah, I didn't think about that.
We were able to get a virtual queue, so we're riding Guardians again.
Yeah.
Xandarians have explored many celestial.
It was still open after we got off of the ride, or when we got in the park.
And
So,
many fascinating life forms.
are you so happy?
Very
Do
happy.
you think we're gonna get September again?
I still hope we get. I ran by a flock of seagulls, but I'm not getting
Witnessed
close.
our probes.
I think we're gonna get September again because I've had it 8 times. What song did we get?
We got Iran by a Flock of Seagulls.
Is that the best birthday ever?
That's the best one I've gotten, yes.
Yay! Did you mark another one off your list?
Yeah. 3 down, 3 to go.
Well, I haven't had Disco Inferno yet, and it's been open almost a year. So.
Wow, it's such a tough life.
I know. So sad.
I want to wheel.
Why do you want to wheel? We made it.
Yay.
No, you gotta go home.
Yep.
Happy birthday.
Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Say bye.
Bye.